Daniel, I just fell on my butt for the 6th time and it was glorious. Quick, film me before I actually break something.
Laughing out of breath. Welcome to episode 41 of Podcast Your English, everyone. I'm Daniel, currently turning into an icicle while holding the camera, and Eva is turning the ice rink into her personal comedy stage.
And I'm Eva, Olympics figure skater in my head, human penguin in real life. Guys, today we are talking winter activities, all the crazy, cozy, childish, or totally lazy things we do when the world is frozen.
If you're watching on YouTube, smash that like button before your fingers freeze solid. And write in the comments right now, what is your favorite winter activity? Ice skating, sledging, snowball fights, building snowmen, hot chocolate movie marathons? Be 100% honest. We want the truth.
Zero judgment. Okay, maybe a tiny bit if you say gym in January.
Let's start with the moment that makes every adult turn into a 5-year-old again. Eva, when was the last time you properly lost your mind in the snow?
3 days ago, first big snowfall. I woke up at 7 a.m., saw the garden white, screamed, "It's Christmas!" even though it's only December, threw on every sweater I own, ran outside barefoot for the first photo, screamed because it was cold, ran back in for boots, and then spent 2 hours making the ugliest, most wonky snowman in history. 1 carrot nose pointing sideways, 1 eye missing, scarf made from an old tea towel. I named him Gerald and took 47 selfies with him.
Gerald, the chaotic snowman. I did the exact same thing last weekend. Woke my little sister up at 8 a.m., dragged her outside, her dog, and a plastic sledge to the park. We built a snow family. Mom snowman, dad snowman, baby snowman, and a snow dog that looked drunk. Then we had an epic snowball fight. I lost. Badly.
Snowball fight rules. No ice balls, no aiming at the face, unless it's your sibling, and the loser makes the hot chocolate.
Exactly. I lost on purpose. Her hot chocolate is better.
Ice skating. We're literally on the rink right now. Rate your skills 1 to 10. No lies.
Honest 5.5. I can go forward without dying. I can stop sometimes. Backwards only when I'm feeling brave and have health insurance.
I'm a generous 2. Today is a 1 because I keep hugging the barrier like it's my emotional support animal. Useful phrases we all scream on the ice. Don't let go of me. I'm doing great. I meant to do that wobble. Why is that child faster than me? My ankles are spaghetti.
And the classic after falling, I'm fine. Totally planned that.
Sledging, the fastest way to feel alive.
Last Sunday, we found the biggest hill in town. I used an old plastic tray because I forgot the real sledge, flew down, screaming, hit a bump, did a 360 in the air, landed face first in soft snow. 10 out of 10, would recommend. My niece filmed it in slow motion. It's my new ringtone.
I went with friends and we made a human train, 5 people on 1 sledge. We lasted 3 seconds before we all rolled down the hill like meatballs. Best bruises ever.
Sledging vocabulary everyone needs. Ready? Push! It's steeper than it looks. Who's going first? Not me. That was the fastest I've ever gone without a car.
Snowman building. Art project or chaos?
Chaos with extra steps. My snowman last year was 2 meters tall. We used a traffic cone for a hat, beer bottles for arms, and gave him a cigar. Unlit. We're not monsters. The neighbors took photos and posted it on the local Facebook group. New resident on Elm Street.
Mine always look depressed. The head falls off, the carrot is too big, the scarf is stolen from my own neck because I forgot one, but I still love them.
Snow angels, the laziest art form.
I made 20 in a row once. Lay down, flap arms, stand up carefully, admire. Then my brother jumped in the middle and ruined half. I chased him with a snowball the size of a watermelon.
Winter walks. Romantic or
torture.
Depends on the day. Sunny, crunchy snow, blue sky, pure magic. Gray, windy, slushy snow, I last 7 minutes and go home crying for tea.
I invented hot chocolate walks. Walk 30 minutes to the best cafe, order the biggest hot chocolate with cream and marshmallows, walk home, warm inside and out. Best invention of 2025.
Indoor winter activities for when it's minus 15 and you choose life?
Board game nights. Every Friday, my friends come over, Monopoly, Clue, Cards Against Humanity, snacks, mulled wine. Last week, we played until 3 a.m. Someone flipped the Monopoly board. Tears, laughter, perfection.
Movie marathons. I do full Harry Potter weekends, 8 films, popcorn, fairy lights, blankets, zero daylight. I pause only to make more tea.
Baking days. I turn into a cinnamon monster. Gingerbread cookies, cinnamon rolls, apple pie. The flat smells like Christmas for a week.
I tried pottery class in January, made one very wonky mug that leaks, but I drink tea from it every day because it's my baby.
Christmas markets.
My happy place. Mulled wine in cute boots, giant pretzels, candied almonds, handmade ornaments, cheesy music, fairy lights everywhere. I go 3 times and still cry when they close.
I spend all my money on roasted nuts and wooden decorations I don't need. Zero regrets.
Skiing or snowboarding? Dream or reality?
Reality. Went to Austria 2 years ago, spent day 1 eating snow, day 2 crying on the baby slope, day 5 going down a red run shouting, "I'm an Olympic champion!"
I tried snowboarding once, spent more time sitting than standing. My bum was purple for a week. Respect to everyone who makes it look easy.
Indoor swimming, the secret luxury.
28-degree pool when it's minus 10 outside, actual heaven. I float there like a happy seal.
Winter picnics, crazy or genius.
Genius! Thermos of soup, cheese sandwiches, chocolate, blanket, find a sunny spot in the park. Eat, freeze a little, laugh a lot.
We did one with friends last year. Brought a Bluetooth speaker and had a mini dance party in the snow. Random dog joined us. Best day.
Activities we always say we'll do but never do?
I'm gonna start ice game lessons in January.
I'll learn cross-country skiing.
I'll make an igloo. Reality, Netflix and snacks.
Same. My ice skates are still in the box from 2023.
Quick winter activity phrases, fire.
And we're both gonna say it together.
Let's go sledging this weekend. I fell again, but I'm okay. The snow is perfect for a
snowman.
It's too cold to leave the house.
Hot chocolate is the prize, right?
Who's ready for a snowball fight? Homework time, winter warriors.
In the comments, write, my favorite winter activity is blank because blank, and this winter I really want to try blank.
We read every single one and live through your adventures.
Favorite line today?
I'm hugging the barrier like it's my emotional support penguin.
Mine is, we rolled down the hill like meatballs.
Thank you for episode 41. If you laughed, felt the cold, or suddenly want to go outside, smash like, comment your winter fun, subscribe, bell on.
New episode next week. Same energy, more English, more snow.
Stay warm, stay silly, stay amazing.
Now go do something fun or stay inside with tea. Both are perfect.
Bye, snow angels.